Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show. This has to be one of my favorite nail shows because I'm painting my nails holo pink, and honestly I love holo. It's so pretty, holographic. I'm pretty sure you guys know Christine from Simply Nail Logical, and she's the holo queen obviously, but I do have few holographic nail polishes in my collection, so I wanted to paint my nails with it, and I picked out this beautiful pink holos. So we're going to paint our nails and chat like we usually do, and I feel weird for saying that, like I always say the same thing and I don't want you guys to get bored of me, so I'm just going to talk and go along. But here I am, I'm applying my first coat, and I love this nail polish because it's so easy to work with and it's mostly opaque at first coat, so you don't need a second coat. But I do love to apply a second coat because it makes it more intense. And I didn't try any other holographic nail polishes. I just have this one from Born Pretty store and one more from Born Pretty store. So you will definitely see that, and I definitely need more holographic nail polishes in my collection. Yeah, I'm pretty obsessed with holo. It looks so beautiful in the light, so I definitely wear it during daylight. And actually I have this on my nails, obviously. My god, look at holo, I'm getting distracted. Okay, second coat. Anyways, what I was talking about is that I have this on my nails and I was going on a hike with my friend, and we were walking and the sun just hit my nails and she was like, oh my god, what's that on your nails? And I'm like, it's holographic nail polish. And she has no idea. She thought this is just a glitter, and she told me, like, I didn't even know that you have this nail polish, it's so pretty, can you paint my nails with it? And I was like, sure, why not? Okay, again looking at holo. Okay, now top coat. Top it off with top coat, and what I like about this is that you can reapply a top coat over your nail, like a few days have it, and then you just gonna reapply a top coat. That's what I do. And I absolutely love holo. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think. And also I uploaded video on how to grow long and strong nails, so check that out, and how to paint nails perfectly. So I will have everything that I mentioned linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check out the videos that I told you about. And also I will insert a little card so you guys can click on it right away and watch it. I hope you guys you enjoy it, and remember, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye guys, see you in my next video.